kind of, we got to define the problem. And then we work together to turn it really into a positive.
How do you deal with the challenges on a daily basis, and what keeps you up at night?
I think we look at just over these last couple of years, what challenges the pandemic has brought all of us. You know, we were used to hosting 2.5 million people through Lumen Field a year. And then all of a sudden that stopped. And it's like, okay, how do we anticipate what's going to happen next? Or how do we try to understand all these twists and turns? So instead of simply not having fans for the season and using that as an excuse not to connect with them, we focused our efforts to engage with them more virtually. It was a new approach for us. We were doing it, but we weren't doing it at the level that it was going to take to have that new height of engagement. We're going to actually continue to build on that. So we'll have not only the in-person platform, but we're going to also have highly engaged virtual effort as well. How do we make sure that we're in a position that we can pivot and turn them really into positives? We looked at how do we use those challenges to find new ways to strengthen our relationship and communication with our fans and turn it into opportunities was our kind of theme as we approached each of those.